The That's an ugly ass forehead.
Hey Anna. Oh, you sound like you just ran a marathon. What's up?
Girly, help me, please help me. Anyway, someone's been posting shit of me in my Instagram account. Like, it ain't me, I swear. I can't even log out. Like, that my fucking password, I swear. Help, please just help. I'm begging you.
Oh, whoa, okay. That's a classic social engineering attack. They probably got your old password from a data leak somewhere and they're not trying to embarrass you or scam your followers. Don't panic, okay? We can fix this. Oh, first, we need to stop the public mess. Since they changed the password, we have to cut them up, okay? So you need to turn off your Wi-Fi or your cellular data right now if you're using your data, okay? Make your phone a digital brick.
Okay, both are off. I think that's good. Since this one says no internet now, right? That's good, right?
But you're doing the right thing, okay? So the key to fixing this lies on your recovery email. By the way, I would also ask if did they also changed or did they also change the password on the email that is linked to your account?
Oh, what do you mean? They seem to not be able to access my Gmail account.
That's our saving grace. Before we touch Instagram, you need to change that password on your Gmail right now. So you need to make it very long or very complex or very unique if you want to if you need to. That's your fortress. Cuz if you reuse passwords or you reuse any passwords from your another account, hackers can get in everywhere. That's a huge vulnerability an ethical hacker would find. Okay, as soon as you're back in, you need to do things immediately. This is how we prevent it from happening again. So the first thing would be, you need to clear out the garbage and let your followers know that you're back in control. And you and another thing would be, to enable the two-factor authentication or the 2FA. So you need to go straight to your security settings and turn on the 2FA.
Two-factor what? Two-factor authentication? The fuck is that?
It means even a hacker steals your password, they still can't log in unless they have your physical phone to get a code. It's the simplest way to block 99% of these attacks. It's the number one security step every professional recommends.
Okay, everything seems set up. The recovery link is good now, and I think I'm done. Oh my gosh, thank you for saving me.
You got this, Anna. You contained it, and you're about to implement the best defense. Okay, so text me when you're back to normal. Okay, bye bye.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Bessie. Thank you so much. I'll text you later. Yeah, I'll text you later about it. Yeah, sure.
Ethical hacking refers to the use of hacking techniques by security professionals that are also known as white hat hackers to legally and permissibly identify weaknesses in an organization's systems. Unlike malicious black hat hackers, the ethical hacker's goal is to improve security, not cause damage. The core principle is simple. You must think like a thief to catch a thief. Ethical hackers replicate the methods of a real attacker to gain unauthorized access to data, systems, or networks. Once vulnerabilities are found, they are reported so the organization could patch them. Penetration testing, or pen testing, is the structured, formal process that ethical hacking employs. It's a simulated cyber attack designed to test the strength of cyber security defenses in a controlled legal environment. A typical pen test follows a clear methodology. Reconnaissance, gathering information about the target, like publicly available IP addresses, employee's name, and other information details. Scanning, using specialized tools to identify potential entry points and vulnerabilities. Exploitation, attempting to break into the system using the discovered weaknesses, for example, exploiting a software bug or weak password. Reporting, documenting every vulnerability found, the method used to exploit it, and a clear set of recommendations for remediation. Penetration testing is vital because it provides a real-world assessment of security posture, helping companies avoid costly data breaches, reputational damage, and regulatory fines. It moves security from a theoretical checklist to a practical, tested defense.